Alright, so today we got ourselves another little HP laptop to work on here. This is a 15ED1023DX, and it came in for an LCD cover replacement. You can see it's coming apart there, and you can't open it without cracking the screen. So let's go ahead and get this LCD cover replaced. And this should be the new one. Let's take a look, see if they sent me the right one. Very often with these, whenever I order them, even though I order them based on the model number of the computer, I end up getting the wrong part, which is like super duper aggravating. Right. Let's see what we got here. So this is the replacement. Alright, looks like it should be the right one. Let's see what we got here. First things first, we got cables. Oh man, this thing's really coming apart. Alright, we're going to hit this with some hot air, and just going to be careful. I want to gently get this thing kind of apart. And this is definitely not held in with screws. I just need to get a little temperature in there so that if there is some adhesive in there that needs to come off, which there will be, I am not putting extra pressure on stuff that doesn't need pressure. Like, yeah, this panel is already being stretched from this person not being gentle with this. Alright, well, we're just going to keep hitting this with some hot air because you can't really see in there, but like when I pull this, the panel itself has a curve to it. Can you see that? No, you can't. Man. This is not good. Oh look, there's a thing for me to pull. All the way up at the top. Well, I mean, I didn't drop this, someone else did. So oh, come on. Alright, now we just gotta be gentle about this as I drop it. It's just so off balance right now. And this corner being damaged is not helping. don't know how HP expects you. Well, they don't. They don't want you doing what I'm doing. Because the part I need to get to is under this corner. You just need to be able to get in there and grab. Come on. Go through the hole. Come on. All right, there we go. We got the pull tab. Very gentle. Pull straight up. And that's what this is. This is just like the current version of this. And then it should just fall right out. So this is, once you get inside these laptops, like this is the main problem with the design of these laptops, is one, this corner almost 100% of the time is the culprit. All of these screws broke, and then when you try and take it apart, after it has been dropped, this has definitely been dropped. The screen, these little rails want to come off. Now this is where I hope this screen is still fine. Okay, with these, once you have all the screws out, you want to leave the cables attached to the back of the monitor, and we are going to slowly, actually, let's see if we can't use use a little bit of heat to get these off of here without bending them. Just a little bit of heat. You don't want to go too crazy. We are looking to we just want to warm up this adhesive a little bit. That's all we want to do. So that when we go for one of these edges, it's a little bit easier to lift. All right, and then just remember where these cables actually go, and do the same thing on this side. Need to put a little temperature into it. Now this thing is out of here. All right, got a replacement screw possibly here. Ugh. It's the wrong size, like, top, but I think it'll work. All right. And let's see if this will work. Yes, it will. It's even the right depth. All right. We need to feed these cables through. So this is going to be a problem. Let's get rid of all this stuff over here. So normally the adhesive that holds all this together is attached to this, which is the thing that holds the screen on. But this is falling off, so I'm going to have to move this. I'm going to have to try and put the adhesive on the actual back of the screen. This side will be fine, but this side will not be. Can't really see right now, I know. So, what I'm referring to... God, man. This glare is something serious. So this is no longer attached. And all I can do is, like, kind of put it back on there a little bit. All of the... There's little plastic grommets along the side here. They're all pulled off. Just from this corner being damaged. So what I'm going to do is the smart thing that for some odd reason HP didn't want to do, which is, never mind, I can't do it that way. The pull tabs has to stay at the top. Let's do that. And actually, I should just shoot to do the inside on both of these. So that way it stays level. So yeah, let me do that. Now, before I should go through the whole effort of putting this back together, let's see if this screen is destroyed. We get to enjoy this together. No, it looks like it's fine. This, just like this crack, there is an actual crack in this corner. And of course, I just wanted to test it out. And what's it doing? A Windows update. You see this cable's coming over this edge. There we go. Go ahead and put this thing flat now. Those are in there. See how close we can get this. Yeah, that should be fine. Just have to be very careful with this corner. You can see that there is 100% a crack there. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.